I found it! My camera!
Papa! Finally free from suspicion! Help!
The owner of this house must have stolen my camera!
Does that mean he stole everything else here as well?
Judging from all these random objects piled together here, it does seem suspicious.
We have to catch the thief!
He does have quite the collection. This was definitely done by an animal that likes to collect things.
An animal that likes to collect. Ah, I know who it is! Let's go get him!
I'll teach him a lesson!
Where are you going? If we wait, he'll probably come home soon. Oh, brother.
Heave ho! Heave ho! Heave ho! Look! They've stolen a whole bunch of stuff!
Ha! Fess up! Are you guys thieves?
Of course not. We got these things through hard work.
That's right, through hard work!
Do you guys live in the house made out of branches deep in the forest? No! We live underground!
That's right, underground! Oh dear, I guess the ants aren't the culprits.
How dare you accuse us? We'll teach you! Attack! Charge! Mommy!
Wait for me!
I think we've lost them.
That's why you shouldn't accuse someone without...
Oh, I know who it is! The animal that likes to collect is right over there!
The squirrel?
See, look! His mouth is full of stuff! Greedy bugger!
Hey, Squirrel, you stole my camera!
That's ridiculous. I'm too busy gathering nuts and berries.
Are you planning on taking those acorns to your twig house in the forest?
Oh, what are you talking about? My house is in that burrow.
See? It's not the squirrel either.
You shouldn't go around pointing fingers. You deserve a biting.